proper time to going to show the Shoga simple time. Jenny Valdivia going to show the freestyle. Shoga simple time based on the tradition of the Shoga soft time. That's have a lot of regulation, okay? And 1 or 2 or 3 kinds of material, okay? But now Shoga simple time is a new style of the Shoga from the 1977. It's new style. That's the show. It's main material. Show is quite important in the Shoga simple time, so it's very hard to find the material. And Ikebana is very respect the material nature. We're not going to trim it or cut it. That depends on the material, on his nature. And here is the freestyle. Freestyle emphasize point, line, and the surface. That's the line. That's the surface. That's the point. Okay. You can use a lot kind of material. Make the flower very elegant, hamburg. So, but the color match is quite important in the freestyle. Make the colorful. And the choice of material is very hard because you want your arrangement look very humble, so you must follow very to match your container. The color should be match your container. That's the Asira to help the show. So do you have any question about the Ikenobo Shoga simple time? That's the freestyle. Usually we take a lot of time to look at the material. Well, today is the show time, so it's different. It's quite too fast. Okay, Jenny's dance right here. So I just say that's the line, that's the surface, that's the point. Combination to the freestyle, and the color choice is quite important. That is Shoga simple time. They have the regulation about the Mizugiwa. From the button to the material with the leaf should be at least 3 cm high. That's the strong request that way. Okay, Jenny's turn. So you can see very nature and very 残学. Okay, very beautiful. Okay, move to there. So next day one, that's have a lot of regulation. Okay, and 1 or 2 or 3 kinds of material. Okay. But now Shoga simple time is a new style of the Shoga from the 1977. It's new style. That's the show. It's main material. Show is quite important in the Shoga simple time, so it's very hard to find the material. And Ikebana is with very respect the material nature. We're not going to trim it or cut it. Depends on the material on his nature. And here is the freestyle. Freestyle emphasize point, line, and the surface. That's the line. That's the surface. That's the point. You can use a lot kind of material. Make the flower very elegant, timber. So, but the, the color match is quite important in the freestyle. Make the colorful. And the choice of material is very hard because you want your arrangement look very humble, so you must follow very to match your container. The color should be match your container. That's the Asira to help the show. So do you have any question about the Ikinobo Shoga Simbutai? That's the freestyle. Usually you will take a lot of time to look the material. Well, today is the show time, so it's too fast. Okay, Jenny's dance right here. So I just say that's the line, that's the surface, that's the point. Combination to the freestyle, and the color choice is quite important. That is Shoga Shimputai. They have the regulation about the Mizumiwa. From the button to the material is the leaf should be at least 3 cm high. That's the strong request that way. Okay, so you can see very nature and very 残学. It's very beautiful. Okay. So next day one is the Christine.